Hello guys, I'll show you how to record today. How to record sound on bandicam, and I'll show you. Let's look at this. And here's some music for you. Okay, so what you do. You go to bandicam, you know this. And then you go to advanced, okay, and then to others, video record settings, okay, press that, record sound, okay, save audio tracks while recording that too, okay, and you pick that one too, choose sound mix, okay, and that's what. And you can pick any one of these, but I would pick that one. You know, that's one of the best. So I would pick that one if you have it. So, okay, then you do that. You can do another one. Stereo mix. And yeah, okay, press OK. I'm gonna look at this. Okay, you don't need to do anything about that. Disable, no, max. Yeah, so, yeah. That's all you have to do, guys. Now you can record anywhere and have a great time recording on bandicam with sound. Okay, so bye, guys. Hope you wait. So yeah, okay. Bye guys. Enjoy using sound on bandicam. Bye guys.